guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking to take your backyard fun and make it a lot bigger, I want to show you this game from Megwoz. So this is a giant tumble tower stacking game. So we have had so much fun playing this game. First of all, this game is a really nice quality and it is just an awesome thing to have for family and friends of all ages. So each of the blocks are made from pine and they are sanded to be very, very smooth. There's no rough edges, no splinters or anything like that. They feel awesome in your hands and they're pretty substantial. So it makes the game that much more exciting. So when you stack this up, it's about 2 feet tall and it can go all the way up to over 4 feet tall before it tumbles, and that is where all the excitement is. So we have had so much fun playing this game, whether you have just 2 people or a whole crowd. It is sure to please all ages and everyone is gonna have a blast. So this kit also comes with a scorecard and a marker, so you could even have some friendly tournaments. It comes with 2 wooden dice for rolling to see who goes first, and it also comes with this carrying bag. This carrying bag is awesome. It makes it super convenient and easy to carry this around with you, transport it. Also makes it a great way to store the game, keep all those pieces together, and it's just a nice small space so you can tuck it away when you're not using it. So we have absolutely been super, super impressed with this game. I think it is a really nice quality. It is super durable. The pieces are gonna last for a long time and it is so fun. So I would definitely recommend this game, and that's my point of view.